Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. In today's video, we are going to be looking at My Legion Secret once again. And I'm going to be talking to you if it makes sense to have multiple accounts or not. Now, for you guys who are in My Legion Secret, I know that this is a particular topic, but I want to share my thoughts and views on it just because I have been getting results and I want to show you guys how I've been getting results at the same time. But if you're doing your due diligence, I hope this video helps you make that decision whether you want one account, two accounts, three accounts, what doesn't make sense to have multiple accounts. Let's hop onto my computer to share with you some more. All right, guys, here I am on my screen and on my actually YouTube channel where you guys are watching this video. I wanted to talk about multiple accounts, but this is not the first time I've spoken about multiple accounts. So I will link in the description of this video my review on My Legion Secrets. 10 months ago, I made a video on multiple accounts and I shared my opinion. Obviously, time has gone by. Well, I mean, time has gone by, right? 10 months have passed, and I do want to share with you my thoughts and views on it right now. I enjoy using My Legion Secret. Today is a Monday. We're going to be talking about my affiliate marketing strategy. If you guys are interested, then obviously hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I love sharing this advice, or if you want to call it advice, but it's more awareness that I want to create on this channel for you guys. And if you're in My Legion Secret, great. If you're not and you're doing your due diligence, great. And if you just want to look about or learn about affiliate marketing, then I hope this channel is going to be useful for you. There are resources that I have, and considering that I have a schedule that I put out 3 times a week videos, I hope you guys come back for more. Let's go ahead and talk about my strategy. This is it right here. 2 steps, very simple steps. I'm going to just brush through it. And on Friday, we talk about more about the strategy. But let's go ahead and talk about the elements. So we have step 1, which is My Legion Secrets to an offer, which then gets me a sale. So the purpose of step 1 is for me to generate cash flow, for me to generate sales. What is My Legion Secrets? Simple, guys. It's a product that gives you 100 to 200 leads every single day. Yes, it's paid. It costs you $30 to run every single month, and it costs you another additional $30 to get started. So the first month you spend $60, and the second month after that you spend $30 every single month to keep that functioning or running for you. Now, that being said, obviously if it goes to an offer, you want to convert that offer. It doesn't mean that you're going to make sales, guys. We as marketers, we have to apply the skill sets that we learn to generate then sales on the back end. Okay, so that's very crucial. I want to make sure that getting My Legion Secrets doesn't mean that you're going to get sales. Getting My Legion Secrets is just a way to access those 100 to 200 leads, which basically saves you time because you have to go and look for those leads otherwise, but this way you're getting access to them. These leads are in the business opportunity niche. They are, or a wealth niche, if you want to call it that. And they are also co-registration leads, which means they're not the highest quality leads, but if you do speak to them the right way and focus on giving them, adding value, you are going to get conversions. Those conversions can happen in a day. Those conversions can happen in a week. Those conversions can happen never, or they can happen after 6 to 12 months as well. So I cannot guarantee your results, guys. I'm just saying to you very, very clearly that this is a possibility. That's all. Now, that's step 1. The step 2 is building out the whole funnel itself, having continuous advertising running to it, and having emails going out to my email to the subscribers, I'm basically offering the solution to them at that stage. Okay, that's pretty much what I'm doing on the back end. So I hope this makes sense. I hope it's clear and it's understandable and everything else. And let's get into actually talking about My Legion Secret. So I started using My Legion Secret, guys, in 2023. That means it's more than a year that I've been using it, and going super well, enjoying myself. Like I said, I use it for mainly step 1, which is sending to an offer and service. Now, with My Legion Secret, as I mentioned before, it's a co-registration leads account. You can have multiple accounts with My Legion Secrets. They do allow it. But what was the purpose? I am using My Legion Secrets to get sales, but at the end of the day, I don't want to spend all my time on My Legion Secret. So if I have to go out and find those 100 to 200 leads, it's going to take me time. But if it's going to take me the same amount of time having 10 accounts, for example, on My Legion Secrets, then why would I do that to myself, right? Why would I spend more time emailing? So I decided to get just 1 account. Based on your budget, based on everything else, it's really up to you. But I decided to get 1 account. And until now, which has been more than a year and a half that I've been using this service, I still have just 1 account. It's reaching a point for me personally and my journey and everything else, that I am considering getting another account, which is why I wanted to make this video, because I want you guys to go through the thought process with me. This is not going to be a long video, but I want you guys to go through the thought process with me. So my Legion Secrets personally right now is generating me a pretty decent income with just step one and using it. Okay, so this is what I personally use. I get these products, I send out an email every single day, and let me just show you Warrior Plus so you guys can see, what I mean. Basically, every 2 days, 2 to 3 days, you can see right here, I got a sale on the 15th and I got a 12th because it was a weekend. So I don't send on the weekends, I send other offers. But Warrior Plus I send during the week, so 5 days a week. And you can see right here, 11th, 10th, 8th, 5th. So I'm getting frequent sales with offers that I share on my Legion Secret in general. And I mean, there are going to be also, refunds and stuff like that. But overall, in the last few months, primarily using my Legion Secrets, let me just show you guys this, okay? If I go year to date, so we'll see 2024, and just using my Legion Secret, I have earned $2,600. So that is, if we average out 6 months, so divided by 6, that's around $433.70 per month, right? These are my results, okay? So I'm averaging a good amount, which now I'm pushing myself. So I've reached a point where I know that I'm making consistent sales, but I want to now get higher conversions. So my focus before I get another account is to reach a certain income goal. So I want to be able to generate at least $500 every single month consistently with just my Legion Secrets. This is my primary focus. It's not that I'm not doing it, but this is my primary focus. And then I'm going to push myself even further to get it to around 800. The reason why I'm saying that I want to get it to around 800 is because then I know for a fact that, I'm working on my account, and then I can start to get a second account, which will then get me another 800, for example. That's the next aim, to get the second account to 800 as well. So I'm making around 1,600 per month, right? And out of which I'm spending what, $60, for example, just to give you guys an understanding, right? So this is the logic that I have in place. So how can I do that? And then secondly, do I want to make a separate account? I would get another account, just another account, not multiple accounts. I would get maybe 2 accounts and that's it. Because for some people, you can have a lot of bills on the front end. I don't want to have lots of bills on the front end. So having 2 accounts is very manageable. It's $60 every single month that you spend, and it's very manageable. I would have one account purely for ClickBank and the other account purely for Warrior Plus or something else, or your own offers and stuff like that. And, have those two bouncing off each other, that, build a whole sustainable business. Now, I will say that not everybody is getting the results that I'm getting. I am putting the work in, the effort, guys. A lot of people I can see are not keeping up with it. The main problem, the difference, I'm not better than anybody else. The difference between you and me is that, one, I'm consistent with sending out an email every single day, and two, I'm working on my emails every single day. It's not about the offer. It's not about anything else. I'm working on my copy. I'm consistently making mistakes, learning from those mistakes, improving from those mistakes, and applying them every single day. This is why, okay? And I talk about the strategy within my affiliate marketing essentials. Link is in the description in case you guys want to see it. Also, by the way, link to my Legion Secrets is in the description, but I talk about this entire strategy, focuses on this, and you guys can see the results, right? So I'm pretty consistent with it. Does having multiple accounts work? Some people say start off with 3 accounts. Why? Because it's affordable to have 3 accounts. You're spending $90 every single month, so it's less than $100 every month, and you're able to build a solid income stream from that. And 3 accounts is quite good. I'd say for one account, I'm making 400. For 3 accounts, I'll be making 4 threes. You can do it yourself, right? So 1,200 I would be making from that account, and I would be spending just $90. So I still be making $1,000 a month. So having 3 accounts for some people makes sense. You don't need to double your work or triple your work. Sometimes you do, but you can save time by using strategies like, copying the source code and adding it to each account as you go along. So then you're not spending too much time on writing those emails every single day. But those are my thoughts. I'm not against multiple accounts. I just don't see I don't want to spend more time on multiple accounts. So it's more like a personal decision that I will have one account, minimum expenditure, maximum exposure. And when it's the right time, and when I feel like it's the right time, I'm not doing this for the money. I'm doing this for me to learn the skill sets, and the money, it comes eventually. As I can see, I'm putting the work and the effort. It comes in the back end for me. So I'm really happy with the way it's going. Those are my thoughts on having multiple accounts. You guys let me know what you think in the comments of this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. If you have any questions on My Legion Secrets, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys on Wednesday for another video.